Hi. Do you use Discord while playing games, and you notice that he is taking high CPU usage, which cause frame drops and lags in your game? In this video I will show you how to optimize Discord, to fix lags and FPS drop in your games that may be Discord fault. Open up your Discord, and next to your username in the bottom left side, click on Settings icon. Under App Settings section, click on Advanced. Turn on Hardware Acceleration, and it will force Discord to use your GPU to run Discord smoother, and not your CPU. If you have high CPU usage from Discord, this will unload some of the resources from your CPU and transfer it to your GPU. If you have old GPU, this setting may not work for you. Now click on Voice and Video section. Scroll down and enable these two options. This will also use your GPU instead CPU for video coding and encoding. Also, turning these options off will also make your Discord to use less of your CPU. Now click on Accessibility tab on the left side. Here, enable Reduced Emotion. Automatically play GIFs when Discord is focused, turn off. And play animated emoji, turn off. Go down, and select Never Animate Stickers. Go down to Game Overlay, and for best performance, I recommend to turn this option off. Of course, you can always adjust any of these settings to your personal preference, and leave some of them on or off. Now we will close Discord completely. Right-click on your Start menu and select Run. Here you will type %local app data % and hit Enter. Find Discord folder and open it. Depending how old your Discord is, you will maybe have multiple application folders up here. To know which one is active, open every application folder until you see Modules folder inside. That means that this is the correct application folder with the latest version of Discord. Now go back, and delete any other application folder, because that one's is no longer in use. Now go in Application folder, you will see Discord icon here. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab and check box next to Disable Full Screen Optimization. And then click on Change High DPI Settings. Here check the box next to Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Click OK, and here apply an OK. Now go to Modules folder and delete these two folders. Discord Game Utils, and Discord Spellcheck. If you fail to delete these folders, make sure that your Discord is not running. Next, right-click on Start and select Search. Here type Graphics Settings, and select Graphics Settings up here. Turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Now click here on Browse, and find your Discord application. Click on Discord and click on Add. Now click on Discord and select Options. Here select High Performance and click Save. Go again to Start. Right-click and select Search. Type Game Mode, and select Game Mode Settings up here. Here, switch Game Mode option to On. Now we have applied most optimizations that we can get on Discord. Launch it and test it, to see did this settings helped lower your Discord high CPU usage. If it did, don't forget to like the video, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.